Alright everybody, thank you for coming out, checking out my page. So this is my newest little project, I don't know, just having fun. If you missed it, I just burnt the Steal Your Face onto bread. And my second one is going to be a piece of cheese, because what's a piece of bread without a piece of cheese? There we go. The answer is yes. You can laser engrave on a piece of cheese. I'm going to turn it up just a little bit and we'll see what else we get here. Works pretty good. I can say one thing. Lasering American cheese smells terrible, in case you were wondering. So, yeah, that's about it. Stay tuned for the next one, and you got any ideas, or what do you want to see in the laser? Hit me up in the comments. I am going to have, I think, a really nasty sandwich. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.